had an extensive meeting yesterday with President Izetbegovic and Prime Minister Selagic and Minister Muratovic, where we covered a lot of different issues. No, I mean, the Bosnian government has said it's okay, they support the deployment of the Rapid Reaction Force. Then there are always some, that applies to all countries. When it's a question of deploying large military units, you always have a lot of problems to be sorted out with the local and regional authorities. And I think that we have, during the last few days, got a mechanism in place for resolving those problems very rapidly. Because it is important also to the political process that the Rapid Reaction Force comes into place during the next few weeks.
You were talking about the same issue.
We had a discussion on the overall issues, the development of the Federation, of course, which is important and encouraging, although there are difficulties. And we had a discussion also on the Rapid Reaction Force and the interaction that is there between the Rapid Reaction Force, the military component and the political component, the diplomatic process, where we're also reinforcing our combined efforts. And we are heading for Mostar, where we will be meeting with Mr. Subak of the Federation and stay overnight. That's what we are doing today.
What's the purpose of this meeting with Mr. Subak?
The purpose is to have discussions naturally concerning the overall developments in the region, because he's an important man. I haven't had the opportunity of meeting him before. And then there are different issues that I think we can discuss.
Are you going to discuss the problems with the Rapid Reaction Force that have occurred?
Well, I think that is primarily a subject of contact between the United Nations and the government of Bosnia-Herzegovina, but it might well come up during the course of the discussions, and I think that might be useful if we spend some time on that.
Yes, and discussing about this problem, do you have any expectations
On
this particular issue?
Well, I would expect that to be sorted out. The government of Bosnia-Herzegovina has expressed itself in support of the further deployment that are now taking place. I think they are very important as part of the reinforcement of the United Nations activities here, the military as well as the political end of it. Then there are always difficulties associated with all of these things, but I would expect those to be sorted out without any major problems.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.